Wow, filmmaker Brittany.
Day one. Action.
Is the mic on?
Day one!
So day one of the build, mostly an unbuild. Van has no more furniture in it, which is chill.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Bian Bian Bian. Checking out the sick van build. Yeah, you know, van life.
What's this voice you're doing?
It's my internet persona.
Who's your internet
Alright,
persona?
YouTube. So, we got this thing.
Did you say YouTube?
We got this thing. We gotta figure out what it is, because as of right now, we have no idea.
And we keep tripping on it.
I mean, you did. I haven't tried on it.
And I keep tripping on it. So the one piece of furniture we kept is this thing, because it seems useful and I don't want to have to rebuild it. We like their floor plan, but it's not going to work for us because we're going to have a high top, and so we want everything a little higher so we won't be crouching all the time. Everything went pretty well. Floors are nicer than we expected, even though they're made of plywood. I think they'll do good, so we probably won't redo those. There is one concern. The insulation that the previous owner decided to use, it's like your typical housing insulation, which I've heard is not good for vans because it can mold. So we'll see what happens with that. Might change it, might do research and keep it, I don't know yet.
Alright, YouTube. I don't really want to do this anymore.
It's cold.
Bye.